Alright, coming to you live is the none other than the Great Burger Village. Here, anyone can select from a wide variety of hamburger or whatever it's called. I think it's called milkshake or something. Oh yeah. This is the entire building itself. Whoa. That looks like Netflix or something else.
What's up, Bo?
So, when did you guys first open?
The original one?
This one.
This one we opened about 3 weeks ago.
How interesting. You know there's one by Walmart, right?
Oh, the one you talking about, the one by Farmingdale and Broad Hollow Road?
Yeah, yes, that's the one.
Yeah, it's all owned by all the same brothers.
Really?
Yeah, Nick, Rick, Sam, and
Mexican cola.
all organic colas.
Organic, huh? So it doesn't need chemicals or sugar?
There's like no high fructose corn syrup. It's more organically made. The natural sugars and such.
Alright.
What's your YouTube channel called?
Artniverse?
What is it?
It's actually called the Artniverse.
Artniverse, okay. What do you do, like food channels and stuff?
Actually, I teach people how to draw characters.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff coming up soon. Like a lot of dinosaur-related stuff, starting with an Amorcaris.
Oh, that's impressive.
Yeah, one of the first super predators on Earth.
Oh, I didn't know. That's awesome.
Yeah. And coming next month, I'm gonna teach everyone how to draw an actual Tyrannosaurus. The kind from Walking with Dinosaurs.
Okay. You can't even draw a stick figure for the life of it.
I know. I was like, I'll learn how to draw a T-Rex. Come on.
Is that our stuff?
No, not yet.
I guess this is how they do it. This is what they look like in the back. Alright, there's Mexican, Diets Mexican, lemon lime, orange, lemon, the mellow yellow, black thing, root beer. Yeah? Hey, ma'am, what's that black thing? What's that black thing next to root beer?
It makes the shake.
Oh, you mean the mix and chill? I was actually talking about that black spot there. What's that serving?
Some people
Root
don't
beer?
want to be on
That's
camera.
nothing.
Don't
Besides
point it
root beer?
Yeah. There's nothing there.
I was talking about the soda machine. What's that next to the root beer sign?
There's nothing.
So it's just water?
Water.
Huh. Okay. Anyway, the mix and chill is just